Just Rick here. We are in Johnson City, Texas at Walden Retreats. And thank you to Eric and Danielle for this adventure. Let's check out the yurts. This place, the scenery is unbelievable this morning. It is 31 degrees out here, and this is nothing for us from New England, but I know all the Texans from down south are freezing right now. Okay, so this is our space for now. This is fire wheel right there. That's what our retreat here is the fire wheel. Let's go inside and check it out. Got a little fire pit going on here. A little windy for a fire right now, so we don't have nothing going on. Maybe later tonight we'll see. If you check out this, look. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but look at out here. Look at all the cactus. I mean, it's just it's beautiful. Let's go inside. As soon as you walk in, it is beautiful. All this knotty pine, beautiful bed, nice setup. You got a little, almost like a little mini bar, kitchen area. You know, the toaster oven and whatnot. I mean, this place is just amazing. And like I said earlier, thank you so much to Daniel and Eric for exposing us to this adventure. And we will check it out a little bit later on. The rest of the venue here, we're here for a wedding. And we'll check back. Remember, Just Rick's Adventures.